My name is Omar Akar. I have joined Pure Storage close to 2 years back, and I manage the Middle East and emerging Africa region. We're very happy to be in GITEX this year. GITEX this year is probably much more exciting than any time before, especially with a focus on IR4 technologies and primarily AI, which is in the heart of every digital transformation. From Pure Storage perspective, as a company, we are a data-centric organization. We believe that data is in the heart of every digital transformation. Although digital transformation is about, of course, people, processes, and technology, but in the heart of every successful digital transformation lies data. So as a company, we focus on everything around data, data management, data storage, ensuring business continuity around data, and most importantly, how can we help organizations extract valuable insight to help transform the business. We focus on 3 important pillars within the digital transformation journey, things that we believe are key KPIs and key pillars in any successful journey moving forward. The first one is helping organizations modernize their data infrastructure. With the exponential growth of data that we've witnessed, especially with the cloud-native applications, the AI applications, the amount of unstructured data is growing significantly. And the cost associated with that is increasing. Not because the price per terabyte is increasing, but because the cost of management, the cost of power, and data center footprint is increasing. So we help customers modernize their infrastructure to drive up efficiency and ensure quicker access to data, which is a critical success factor for AI deployment. Another important pillar we focus on is the SLA-driven infrastructure, enabling a cloud operating model anywhere to facilitate the transition into a distributed cloud architecture. And last but not least, we focus on cloud native. How can we help organizations accelerate the deployment of new digital services, the containerized applications, which will probably dominate in the future. So we have a de facto standard platform to accelerate and simplify the deployment of digital services moving forward to help organizations transform the business. Sustainability is in the heart of everything we do. Every single architecture we bring to the market is an evergreen architecture. And as per third-party analysts, Pure will deliver at least 80% reduction when it comes to power consumption and CO2 emission. And that is for multiple reasons. Our architecture is very simple, very efficient. We've developed advanced deduplication capabilities to help customers store more data on a less footprint. And most importantly, we've developed an architecture that is never obsolete. An architecture where customers do not need to refresh every couple of years, do not need to buy the same capacity again and again every couple of years, which will help in drastically reducing the e-waste of organizations. So Pure Storage is committed to the sustainability agenda, and probably we're going to talk about it, but even as part of our SLA-driven infrastructure, we are delivering very aggressive SLAs around sustainability, around the power per TB consumption. Yeah, so that's a very important question because the distributed cloud architecture, the hybrid cloud architecture is definitely dominating moving forward. The ability to deploy digital services anywhere. Today, organizations will deploy digital services at the edge. There are critical services that will remain on-prem in the data center. And of course, there are services that will be delivered on maybe a public cloud or multiple public cloud providers. What Pure Storage does today is we are trying to enable the SLA-driven infrastructure or the pay-as-you-go SLA-driven infrastructure anywhere. What we've typically done is we've developed a very strong program. And of course, we've designed an architecture around that program to help customers have an SLA-driven infrastructure anywhere. You can have an SLA-driven infrastructure on-prem. We deliver commitments on performance, availability, watt per TB, and even lately, and we've announced it in GITEX, we're telling customers we are willing to go one step further, not only to commit a watt per TB, which is significantly lower than any other platform, but also we're telling them we're willing to pay for the electricity bill, the electricity consumption and data center footprint that our platforms will consume inside your data center. So we're really keen to make sure that they have a full cloud experience on-prem. And of course, through our partnerships with leading hyperscalers, AWS and Microsoft, we deliver storage as a service on hyperscaler clouds to enable this seamless experience spanning on-prem and public cloud. And we even went one step further with Microsoft, where we've announced the support of the AVS stack on Pure Storage. So now customers who have VMware stack deployed on top of Pure Storage on-prem can have the exact same model on Microsoft Azure to ensure seamless mobility and seamless user experience. Yeah, so first of all, this region is one of the fastest growing regions for Pure Storage globally. We've seen growth in all the key Gulf countries, primarily UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar. A lot of investment are geared towards digital transformation in order to increase the contribution of the digital economy to the GDP. We've seen lots of initiatives. We've seen the AI vision in UAE 2031. You've seen the theme in GITEX, AI in everything. The cloud-first policy in Saudi Arabia, Vision 2030, where digital transformation is engraved in every aspect of Vision 2030. So a lot of investments are geared towards transformation, and we've seen that across all industries. Telcos are accelerating transformation, banks, and even government with the e-government initiatives that we've seen around. In fact, UAE and Saudi Arabia are one of the top countries worldwide in terms of e-government adoption, which is another stamp on their commitment and the investment that they're making to enable digital transformation moving forward. So again, I think the first thing I want to say is, I mean, digital transformation has become a fact. Investment on IR4 technologies is gonna yield to remarkable innovation and transformation, will help organizations increase their productivity, the efficiency. It has become inevitable for customers to focus on investing on IR4 technologies, and it's always important to remember that data is in the heart of every successful transformation moving forward.